and welcome to today's tip. Now, if you're anything like me, you will have loads of bits of stickers that you've either used or you haven't used or you're halfway through using, and they have gone to the bottom of your stash of all of the things that you think you might use one day, but you're not entirely sure whether you will. So what I'm going to do today is show you how you can make a fabulous layout. I've got this wonderful photo here of my children and a dear friend, and I really think it's all about fun and eclectic kind of presents that she gives the kids and ideas, and I thought, great, I can use all of these stickers for that. So I'm just going to put the photo aside. I'm just going to grab all of the stickers that I think will look brilliant on the layout, and all I'm doing is just sticking down all of the things that I think would look really cool on my layout. Okay, so I've put them all on my scrap piece of paper and I'm going to cut them out. Okay, once you've cut them all out, I've just got a black pen here. And to make them uniform, what I'm going to do is just draw like a black line, really roughly. Doesn't even have to join up if you don't want it to, around the sticker image. And what this does is, because all of these stickers are from different kit, it kind of makes them all look like they're from the same design, and that's what I'm looking for. So as you can see, I've finished putting all of the black lines around the embellishments, and then I've just literally, I haven't stuck these down yet, just placed them all in this lovely line going across there. And it's been so easy. It's a little bit time consuming cutting everything out, but it's really, really great fun. I just wanted to show you another way that you can use these. Here I've got a round photograph in the middle and I've just put all of the embellishments around the outside like that. And then one other way that you could do here is get a really big black pen and just sort of add a cool funky circle all the way around, and that sort of then gives your embellishments a little bit of space or grounding, if you like, as it goes around the circle. Now you just might want to do a few elements, you might not want to do all of them, or you might want to do little clusters. So here's another way that you can use the same technique that I've shown you today to create beautiful layouts, and it's so nice to use your old stash. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you next time.